Today I will talk about how can you add or change photo profile on your SweetMeet app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on go to profile. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and you click here in this sign. So then here can you upload from your photos or take a selfie here. So that's all you have to do to add your photo profile here. That's all. I wish you I get it. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.